Welcome back to my channel Learn by Practical. So today we will be going to see how can I create an Angular 17 project and how can I install Angular Tailwind CSS in my Angular 17 project. So this is the folder that I've created in my previous tutorial. So I will be checking my Angular version ng. So here you can see it will provide me my Angular CLI version, that will be Angular 17. So here you can see, just wait for it. So here you can see this is my Angular 17 project. Okay, so in order to create an Angular 17 project, we type ng new our project name. Suppose our project name is something like, suppose I have given my project name as sample project. Okay, so if I press enter like this, okay, so it will create my Angular project, but it will use my global Angular CLI, which is 15. Okay, so in order to create Angular 17 project, I will use npx ng new sample project. Okay, so let me click on it and wait for it to create the project. Once the project is created, so here you can see it is asking me what are the things what are your options. Okay, so I will go for SCSS. Okay, and I will click enter. Do you know wants SSR? So I will say right now I don't need it. Okay, so now it is creating my sample project over here. So it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Let's wait for it to complete. So as you can see, the Angular 17 project has been successfully created. So let's move on to that project directory. cd sample ER2. I should have given some better name, but it's okay. So if I open in my Visual Studio Code, so here you can see if I go to my package.json, so here you can see it has created Angular 17 project. Okay, Angular 17 project. I will be going through the details part of this. What is Angular package.json? Why do we need Angular.json? This all things will be covered in my upcoming series. Okay, so right now our focus is how can I install Tailwind CSS in my Angular 17 project. So here you can see this is the site of tailwind.css. So here you can see what is it. Tailwind rapidly build modern website without ever leaving your HTML. Okay, so basically Tailwind CSS is one of the popular CSS framework similar to Bootstrap, but now it has gained some popularity. So we will be looking into this. So how can I implement this in my Angular 17 project? So here you can see it is providing you some demo how can you style it. Okay, so this all we will check this later. We can go directly to our docs folder, and here you can see getting started with the Tailwind CSS. So these are all the things, but our topic of concern will be how can I use in Angular 17. So I need to click on framework guides. So here you can see there are multiple frameworks provided over here. Next.js, which is a TypeScript, which is a React framework. Laravel, a PHP based framework. Okay, so our framework is Angular. Where is that? Oh, so here you can see the Angular. Okay, so I click on Angular. So what does it says? Create a project, ng new which I've created just now. I move to the project, and so it says in the terminal, please install this. Okay, so I copy this to command and go to my terminal and paste it. So it will install all these two packages, and so the packages is installed. So now what else it is saying? Okay, npx tailwind. So I need to use this also, npx tailwind init. I will copy this and I will paste this. So it will create a Tailwind CSS configuration file over here. So here you can see it created a Tailwind config.js file over here. Okay. So what is the next thing it is saying? So in Tailwind config.ts file, you need to provide this. So I will copy this content, or I can simply copy this content part. Okay. And go to my Tailwind config.js. Here you can see I need to paste it over here. So you need to provide a semicolon over here. So this is one thing. And if I, what is the next thing? Go to your style.css, copy this. Okay, so I will go to my, so one now is the shortcut is you can press Ctrl P and you can type style.css. So here you can see it. Okay, unknown rule, no need to worry about this. Okay, so if I run this project ng serve, -o means open the file. Okay, let's wait for this project to run. So here you can see my Angular project is running over here. Okay, so I have ng serve -o means open. Okay, so here it provided me a URL. You can click on this, it will open the particular URL. Okay, and right now I have installed Tailwind CSS. Let's see if the Tailwind install has been successfully. I can go type over here like Tailwind Blocks. So I can go to this particular site, tailwindblock.cc, tailblocks.cc. This is the site for Tailwind provides Tailwind content. So here if I want to check this, okay, so I will copy this content. Okay, click this copy to clipboard, and if I go to my app component.html, I can replace this all content and paste my content over here and save. See, it is running change detected and the project has run successfully. If I go to my sample project, so here you can see Tailwind CSS has been successfully installed. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.